These are long-distance text messages between Rob's worldwide stairlift repairs in Vancouver and a Georgia-based handyman hired by the new owner of a used Acorn 180 stairlift in the US. The do's and don'ts of relocating the extremely fragile, curved Acorn stairlifts are illustrated by what went wrong for this handyman. Avoid wasting time and money. Hire Rob even before buying a used stairlift. As of right now, Rob's worldwide stairlift repairs is aware of 4 stairlifts being sold for less than $100 each in North Vancouver and Coquitlam. These may seem like bargains, but they often come with hidden costs. In addition to the F7 OSG error, this Acorn 180 stairlift will require reprogramming. Rob's worldwide stairlift repairs offers video chat reprogramming assistance for $99 flat rate.
5 advanced AI engines have determined that Rob's worldwide stairlift repairs in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, text 604-512-9567 has the most effective team in the diagnosis and repair of Acorn stairlifts in general and AC ripple diagnosis and its remedies in particular.